Hey all, Ashley here. I hope you're doing well. Today I'm coming on with a fun video. This is going to be an unboxing of a mystery box. This is a new to me company called the Journal Junk Box, and look at what they sent me. It's a super cute little package. So excited to dig into this. They have these mystery subscription boxes that you can sign up for. Every month is something different, so it's no guarantee that you're going to get the same box I'm going to unbox now, but I do have a discount code. It's Ashley Love for 15% off of your order. So if you want to check it out, I'll leave the website link down below and my discount code. But for now, let's unbox this and see what all is in here. So we've got some kind of like inserts here. This is their info, and then a little journaling card, super cute little phrase journaling card, and then some journal prompts, and then some what's in the box. Oh, so it tells you everything that's in the box. I'm not actually gonna look at that yet. I'm just gonna it tells you the pricing of everything too for each item that they've included, but I'm gonna actually just kind of make this a surprise. So let's open this together and find out what all is in here. It does look to be like love theme though, from what the, oh yeah, it looks like a love theme, February love theme, Valentine's theme. So let's see. We've got these little sticky notes, XOXO sticky notes. Yeah, I'm gonna reference this. So that's this item here. It doesn't say how many are in here, but you got a good number of little heart sticky notes. Really cute with a little tic-tac-toe on there. Pretty adorable. And then, oh, tons of ephemera in here. Journal Junk sticker collection. Let's see. Cute little quote. Looks like loads in here. So I'll kind of do a quick spread out of everything. Lots of these like little girls. And then looks like loads of florals in here. Loads of florals, pinks, some little iced tea. Cute, cute, cute. Oh, look, some little roller skates in here. These are adorable. And then some little tickets, little keys. Looks like there's 2 of each as well. Super cute. Little window scene. Oh, that's pretty with a little book and everything. Very cute. Oh, I like this one too. Super cute. Okay, cool. So that gives you an idea of all the little journaling pieces in here. Loads in here. And then next, looks like maybe some cards. Yeah. So gives you a set of 3 cards and 3 envelopes. Love this kind. Really pretty. Really pretty. Loads of little stamps. Cute. So 3 sets of cards for you. Let's see what this is. Little package. Open this one up. Oh, cute. Look at this little like jewelry case. Let's see. What do they call this one? Yeah, travel jewelry organizer case. Really cute. Look at this little pouch up here. And then all the little inserts in here. Look at the sizing. It's so cute and little. Looks so adorable. Really cool. Really fun. Love the color. And then looks like there's some 6x6 papers in here as well. Little paper pack. Looks to match the cards as well. Let's flip through these. 12 sheets. This red one, single-sided, little hearts here, 2 of each. Ooh, this is pretty. I love the florals. Pretty. This is cute too. Very cute. So 12 sheets, 2 of each. In that kind of like Valentine's, vintagey Valentine's flavor. And then we've got a couple rows of washi. Pretty, with a little scripty font, and then a little hearts and florals. And then, so it looks like you got a couple notepads in here too. I really like this, this print. Very pretty. And then just a bunch of plain paper in here. And then this one, same bright white plain paper. And then that kind of scripty background. Let's see, looks like there's also a couple pens. It's really pink, pretty pink pens. Little pretty rose designs on them. Let me see what color this is. Ooh, this writes really nicely. Yeah, this is really nice. So cool. Okay, so that is everything. So I hope you liked seeing this little like fun mystery box unboxing with me. Again, I will leave the website to this company linked down below along with my discount code. And I will see you all on the next one. Bye.